Hi friends, welcome to our channel Pretty and Perfect. We made few cooking trials during this lockdown period and I'm bringing you here the making of homemade wheat flour pani puri which we tried during this lockdown. Hope you like this video. Keep watching it. Here are the ingredients that are required to make wheat flour pani puri. 1 cup of rava, 2 spoons of wheat flour, salt, mint leaves, chili and ginger, lemon juice, boiled potato, chili powder, finely chopped onions. I'm adding 1 cup of rava to the bowl. To that, add 2 spoons of wheat flour. Add required salt and mix them well. To the mixture, add water little by little and knead it well such that it becomes a soft dough. As you prepare for chapati, knead this mixture well and make a proper soft dough. Next, we will get our mint water ready. In the mixie jar, add the mint leaves. To that, add chili, ginger, squeeze some lemon juice. To this, you can add some coriander seeds as well as cumin seeds. You can take half a spoon of coriander seeds and 1 spoon of cumin seeds to this mixture and grind all of them into a fine paste. Once the fine paste is ready, filter it into a bowl by adding water. To the water, add salt for taste. Now, yeah, the mint water is ready. I have smashed the boiled potatoes and taken them in a bowl. To the smashed potato, I am adding salt and chili powder. Then I am adding chopped onions and mint leaves. You can add some coriander leaves if you have and mix them well. Now all the side dishes, the mint water and the stuffing is completely ready. We will get our main dish. The puri is also ready now. Roll the kneaded dough as you roll it for a chapati, but make sure that it is neither too thin nor too thick. I have taken a bottle lid to make small circles in order to get a small sized puri. Once the oil is hot enough, we can drop in our puri doughs. See how our puri is getting ready. It's coming out very well. Make sure it is cooked well so that it is crispy enough. That's it. All our puris are ready now. Do you hear the sound? Yes, it is very crispy enough. I'm adding the stuffing to it and pouring mint water to it. And yup, it's ready for eating. Wow, yummy pani puri. Try this at your home and share your comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching Pretty and Perfect channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.